Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review of a candle, but it's not just any candle. It's a candle that has some goods inside. You want to see what I'm talking about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I had a company by the name of Charmed Aroma reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to review one of their candles on my website, on my YouTube channel. And I'm like, yes, you had me at candle. I don't care what's in it. You had me at candle because if you follow me, you know I'm a huge candle junkie, especially if it smells good. So they said, okay, go ahead and look at our website, choose something that was your favorite and let me know. So I was like, okay, well, I didn't know what they wanted to send me as far as price point or quantity or anything like that. So I wrote them back and I said, okay, if I had to choose, me personally, I would choose, this is my first one, this is my second, this is my third. And I do have very, very sensitive skin when it comes to rings. And I would love to be able to wear and proudly wear the item that is inside. So I didn't want to choose one that had a ring in it because my finger will instantly turn green. That's just me. That's any kind of jewelry that I wear. So I chose different ones that had like the bracelets or the necklaces or something like that in there. So I said, this would be my first, second, and third. I would choose the Scorpio because that is my sign, but it's not available yet. So whichever you want to send, if you want to send something completely different, by all means. I mean, I love candles in general, so I'll be happy with anything you send to me. So I got my shipment confirmation and it showed order this and this, and it showed the Scorpio Zodiac sign candle, and I am so excited because that is my sign. And this is absolutely stunning. Look at the way this looks. It says Scorpio and it has like all my favorite colors except the yellow gold, but the blues and everything. I'm kind of getting used to this color on products, just not on my bate. But look at how pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now on the bottom, it just says Charmed Aroma Scented Candle Soy Wax Blend, but it doesn't say the actual scent. So let's see here. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. Yes, yes. Okay, so my sign smells awesome. My sign smells awesome. I don't know what it is because again, it just says scented candle. So I'll look on their website and see if it tells me a little bit more about the notes of what I'm smelling so I can at least tell you guys. But it does have a 2-wick right there. And in here, this one does say Zodiac Necklace Collection. So that's cool because I don't ever have any problems with necklaces. And it says Scorpio, passionate, fearless, lively. That is me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and burn this beautiful, beautiful candle. I don't even want to, but I need to get to the goods to see what's in there. So I'm going to go ahead and burn this. Once I get to the actual jewelry, then I can pull it out and I will finalize my review with you guys. And then I'm going to probably burn this as much as I can and try to clean this out. And I'm going to keep this glass jar. This is an actual glass jar and it has the beautiful thing with Scorpio on there. And I definitely want to reuse this. I will reuse this container even if I stick a flower arrangement or if I put a silk plant or something. I am going to use this for something around my house. I don't know yet, but I will repurpose this glass because that is so pretty. And it has my Zodiac sign. Even the outside, look at the whole thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, looks like a little twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start burning this. And once I get to the jewelry, we will finalize this review. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, my house is gonna smell amazing. Yes, it is. There it is. There it is. Ooh. That is gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. Now I'm gonna go online and enter in this code and it will tell me how much this is valued at. But that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, so worth the wait. Okay, you guys, so I was able to burn the candle down. It took me a few days straight. Like, I burned it from the moment that I got to work until I left, which is normally anywhere from 8 to 9 hours a day. So I literally let it sit there for 3 days burning until I got to the goods, which surprisingly was on top a little bit more because I already have them out and the candle is only not even halfway burned. I actually did try about a year ago, before starting my channel, I did do 2 different, same exact concept, just 2 different companies, and their candles actually did not have a strong fragrance. So it was kind of like burning the candle just to get to the jewelry inside, where this one smells so good while it burns all day, even the 3rd full day. Still now, it still smells amazing. So I believe that their candle is definitely a better and stronger quality than others that I have tried. And the one jewelry that I did get is absolutely stunning. So again, this is my candle. That is all that I had to burn to get to it, which is surprising because normally they're at the very bottom. But my goods. Now again, this is themed by my sign, which is a Scorpio, and this is my jewelry right here. I absolutely love this. Let me see if I can, trying to get you to see the detail a little bit better, but this is so pretty and I am very happy with this. So I'm gonna go on their website and we're gonna see what the value is of this bad boy. Did I find a hole? Right. And this one is nice because it has the different lengths where you can make it longer or shorter. So there's that. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so let's go to their website. Now, just so you know, their website is stunning. I know I have my lights and that's gonna be really hard, but see, there's a Zodiac collection. They have an emerald collection. They have a diamonds collection. They have so many different collections. They have a really pretty sugar blossom, I go again, right down here, which is like a flower shape. They have a pineapple shaped ones. They have so many different candles and bath bombs. They even have like a birthday candle one. So even if you're thinking of like a gift, you can get the birthday one. And they even have this one right here, which is currently on sale. It's called the Sweet Treat Gift Set. And it comes with the birthday cake candle. And it comes with this really cute, looks like a sprinkled donut bath bomb. So you can get a set like that. So if you know somebody's birthday coming up, that would be an amazing birthday gift because they have an awesome candle, which who doesn't love candles, an amazing bath bomb, and there's a jewelry in each one of them. So they have that, or you can buy them separately. Like I said, there's beach themes, there's treasure boxes, there's so many different things. If you guys want to check out their website, they have a lot of different products. They even have Mother's Day right now going on. So they have Mother's Day Best Mom Ever. So it's kind of a little late for Mother's Day right now, but just so you know, they have all these different, let's see, Best Mom Ever. They have all different themes, and I'm sure for different seasons and holidays, they will have new editions and special editions and that kind of thing. So again, they have Mother's Day right now. They have candles and bath bombs. And now what we are going to do is I want to tell you about this candle right here. So let's go to new because I'm sure these are in the new. Yeah, they have so many pretty ones in there. There's so many in here that I want because they sound amazing by how they, like, yeah, there's a beach theme. There's an orange creamsicle, like, Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to be making an order from this site because these are awesome. And now I got to try the candle out myself and know the strong fragrance, and I get to see the actual quality of the jewelry, which is beautiful. So let me go ahead and get back over to the Zodiac collection. Now, again, like I explained before, they didn't have Scorpio available when I first looked through their site. Right now they have every sign available, but it looks like, yep, they have every sign available now. So let's go to Scorpio because that is the candle that I have, and let's get the description. So the jewelry is, find a solid 925 sterling silver Scorpio-inspired necklace worth up to $5,000 in this candle. The fragrance. Those born under the water sign Scorpio are celebrated for their passionate, fearless, and lively nature. Light the Zodiac candle and enjoy a mesmerizing blend of warm sandalwood, rich amber, and a hint of nutmeg. Once you finish burning, which I got mine way before finishing, reveal a solid 925 sterling silver Scorpio-inspired necklace. These beautiful and versatile pieces are designed for everyday wear and are a reflection of the Scorpio's many symbols. And this is a 12 ounce candle, or 340 grams to wick. And the jewelry is wrapped in a protective bag enclosed in a silver foil, which that is, and I would have dropped in the video showing when I revealed it. But oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And what a conversation purpose, like thing, like someone's gonna be like, what does that mean? Oh, that's my sign and it came from a candle. And yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So let me go ahead and go on here. They have jewelry appraisal. And so on here is the jewelry appraisal. You put in your email address and you put in the code that was on here when you pulled it out. So let me go ahead and put in my email and let me put in the code. And let's go to go. Appraise. This is appraised at $60, if you can see right there in the yellow. My particular necklace is valued at $60. And this candle, which I didn't say that part, I think it was only $24. Let me go back to the Zodiac candle. $26.99. So $26.99 is the cost of the candle. And not only did you get an amazing smelling candle for that, I got a necklace which is valued at $60, which can go up to $5,000. It just depends on your luck and what's inside. And I just think it's amazing because it's a surprise and you never know what you're gonna get until you get to that foil pack and you can pull it out and you go through it, and it's so exciting. It's the whole process is just really exciting. So this is definitely a huge gift for yourself or for another. And again, any occasion, even bath bombs, you pop that bath bomb in there and then you get the gift. So that's a lot quicker versus the candle, which could take a few days to get to, which I still enjoy. I don't take baths, so I didn't want to try the bath bomb because it would be kind of pointless for me because I don't take baths. But this candle is amazing. They have their new collections. They have a diamond collection. They have the emerald, I think it was the emerald collection with all the green emeralds. So if you guys want to check them out, definitely their website will be down below. And it does say free shipping when you spend $50 or more. Yeah, the emerald is one of their newer ones. They have a snow cone bath bomb. How cute. They just have so many different things. There's a watermelon lemonade set. Ooh, that sounds amazing, which is on sale right now. They have a mango. There's just so many different ones, you guys. Venice, coconut. There are so many different ones. So again, their link will be down below. And again, thank you so much for sending me this amazing candle. And I'm so glad you sent me my sign. And I have this amazing necklace, which I absolutely adore. This is my new favorite necklace now. This is. And I'm definitely going to keep this container. Like I said before, once I am done actually burning the entire thing, I don't know what I'm going to use it for just yet, but I love the packaging on here. So Charmed Aroma, you did an amazing job with this candle. Thank you so much again for sending this to me. And you guys, definitely, any occasion, you can check them out. And it is just so exciting. And it's real silver, which the other company that I tried, they were not real silver. It actually turned, it tarnished. It was horrible. And I paid probably a little bit more money per candle than these. So this is definitely a really good product. I think I'm gonna leave this at home now so I can enjoy this here, then taking it back to work for the rest of the remainder of this candle. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video or giveaway that I have on my channel. I greatly appreciate that. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.